Hey new babes, it's Jenny and I'm back with another crack-a-lack-a-pop-a-lackin' video. You already know what's the deal. This hair is so bomb. This hair is from Yolissa. And listen, all the information will be in the description box below. But I cannot with this hair. This hair is beautiful. The texture, everything about this wig is just amazing. But y'all see these curls? These curls are bomb.com, period. Getting straight into it, this is the packaging for Yolissa. Super cute red satin bag. You know what I'm talking about, red satin bag. The fuck out. And those 26 inches, a small cap size, and the hair density is 250%. They came with a pair of lashes that are actually bomb. So I plan on using these on a makeup look. Very cute. Very useful. And 2 wig caps. So this is the hair combed out. At this point, I already tried bleaching the wigs. That's why it's got bleach on there. And I plucked it, so don't mind that. But I wanted to show y'all and I forgot. So yeah. Yeah, the lace is really nice. Light lace. But what I would say is it is hard to bleach these knots. The knots are pretty big. I'm not even going to cap y'all down. The knots is big. So we're going to go straight to the bleach. I used the kaleidoscope, or whatever, however you say it, the purple one, and 30 gallon developer, and I'm going to mix those together. See, I don't know if it didn't bleach right because I didn't use the right ingredients and the measures or whatever. I just kind of like finessed it. So let me know in the comments if y'all know how to do this, like if I did it wrong, because you know what I'm saying, that would help your girl out for her next video or whatever, whenever I do another hair video. So yeah, let me know if I'm doing it right. But I'm gonna let y'all see this little process. I just mix it together and then put it on the lace, and bada boom, bada bing. Oh, dog, who that bald-headed hoe? Set it off, bad-looking hoe. Okay, so we're back, and I'm on camera with my face. It's gonna be a little blurry for like a good 3-4 minutes. So, but it's gonna be clear. Like it's gonna get clear because my autofocus was not on. But I'm gonna use some hair growth oil to put on these cornrows. I didn't do these cornrows myself. Y'all know I'm not gifted. So yeah, this is from my old, not old, but it was from my like later on sew-in before this one. But yeah, so I'm gonna put some hair growth oil because you want to oil your scalp so it's not dry. Then you're gonna put the whip cap on, and make sure all the baby hairs is pushed back, all the extra breakage or whatever. And you're gonna put some got to be spray on the cap. I know a lot of people already seen this little method and this way, but you're just gonna spray it on the cap on your hairline. And then you're going to blow dry or let it air dry, whichever one you think is best for you. I prefer to blow dry it so it dries quicker. And once it's blow dried, you're going to cut off all the excess wig cap and cut it to where it fits your hairline. You know what I'm saying? You dig what I'm saying? Once that is done, you're going to like keep cutting it until you feel like it's perfecting and where it's not lifting and having an extra cap just raising up, you know what I'm saying? No kizzy. So yeah, I'm a perfectionist or whatever. So yeah, now I'm going to spray, or not spray, oh my god, but I'm going to put some foundation. I should have used pressing powder, but I didn't have none, so I just finessed it with my foundation, my liquid foundation. But your girl gotta do what she gotta do to make this shit look good. And yeah, so now that I got the wig on, looking like Chewbacca. Okay, for real though. Now I'm about to put my wig on and everything, and I'm about to part my section of what I think my baby hair should be, and I'm gonna just put that away so I have it to the side so I don't mess with it or anything like that. And once I have it clipped off and sectioned off, I'm going to put the rest of the back in a ponytail. My video is clear. Yes, sir. So, yeah, I'm going to put the rest in a ponytail. And I'm going to use a little bit of my liquid foundation to make my part a little bit cleaner, because we love a clean part. You know what I'm saying? You want it to look very natural looking, as best as it could be if you can't bleach knots like me. Yes. But, now I'm about to go on my hot comb, the worst hot comb I've ever had in my life. But I'm just going to flatten out to make it flatter. You want a flat wig. You don't want that bulky, big looking wig like you got big old cornrows underneath. No, you want your wig to look flat and to stay in place. And notice how at the front, I push it back so it has a more natural effect when you see the hairline. Okay? You know, I know a little something. I finessed this. I don't care what nobody talking about. It would have been a really good wig if I knew how to bleach the knots. But anyways, I'm spraying with Got To spray on the hairline, but not on my baby hairs. Well, what I will put as my baby hairs. And that's how I lay it down. I don't use no glue. I don't use none of that. So I'm just using my Got To spray, and I'm spraying it on there and blow drying it until it is dry. Now that it is dry, I'm going in on my scarf, my little hair scarf, and I'm tying it down so it can be super secure and pressed the freak down. I leave it on for like 15 minutes. Now I'm going to take off the lace of the closure wig, and I'm going to start laying down the baby hairs. Now with the baby hairs, I do use an eyebrow razor from the beauty supply store. All my products I got from the beauty supply store, of course. But I'm going to cut it down. At first, they do look like super thick, but I do fix them. So just trust the process. You know what I'm saying? I use a tweezer and pluck it to thin it out so it's not as big as they could have been. So I'm just going to make it look super natural. And now I'm going in with my olive, what's the name of this product? I don't know, but I got it from the beauty supply store. I'm going to use my mousse to lay down my edges so it doesn't have a harsh feel to it. I really love this product. You don't gotta use a lot like me. Like, do not do that. That was just like super dumb. But yeah, I like my edges to look soft. I don't like that gel down looking like just too pasted on my forehead, if you dig what I'm saying. Now I'm going to style them to my liking, and this takes time, so make sure you take your time with it, because once you lay it down, that's how it needs to stay. You know what I'm saying? When you wrap it up with a scarf and everything, to make sure it stays the same. Now that I got my baby hairs to my liking, I'm going to move on to styling the wig. I'm just going to wet it and get its curls back since I combed it out when I was plucking it. So I'm going to use my brush. Y'all know I still have not invested into a spray bottle. Like, I don't know what is wrong with me, but I'm going to go get one. I promise I'm going to go get one. Like, I need to invest into one. But the curl pattern is super bomb. You already seen it at the beginning of this video. But look, I look like super fine. Like that look like my natural hair. I'm not even gonna cap until you see it close up. You're like, damn, them freaking knots. But I did pretty good. Like for my first time doing this with no glue and like actually like, I don't know, just taking my time with it. I'm really proud of myself because it looks really good. Like it looks really freaking good. I'm not even gonna lie. Like I feel like I really did that. That's something I'm really proud of. So y'all know my extra self had to put on some makeup. Let me give y'all the full look. So here this is, and I did my makeup so good today. Look at that nose contour. Yeah, don't talk to her. Look at that wing liner. Yeah, stop talking to her. Overall, when you put the makeup on, it looks really, really good. Like it looks put together, really clean, really natural, really cute. You know, I'm feeling myself per usual. Ugly or not, I'm feeling myself. This how it always should be. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making this video and editing this video. Like, this was actually something really fun. Like, y'all know, usually I would just put together a video, throw it together, throw it up, and not even try editing it. But I really put in effort. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Like, oh my god. I want to do a wig giveaway, so let me know. I don't know. Bye, y'all.